DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System, surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, engineering, and land surveying. One such company that provides DGPS surveying services in Bendiganahalli, Bangalore is Scon Design India Pvt Limited. Scon Design has established itself as a reliable and efficient provider of accurate surveying solutions. DGPS surveyors utilize advanced technology to determine precise positions on the Earth's surface by using a network of reference stations and satellites. DGPS systems can correct the errors caused by atmospheric conditions and satellite clock inaccuracies. This ensures that the surveyor's measurements are highly accurate, making it an essential tool in many industries. Scon Design India Pvt Limited recognizes the importance of DGPS surveying and has invested in state-of-the-art equipment and trained professionals to deliver top-quality services. Bendiganahalli, located in Bangalore, is a rapidly developing area with various infrastructure projects underway. The need for accurate land surveys and mapping is essential to ensure the success of these projects. DGPS surveyors at Scon Design India Pvt Limited are well versed in the specific requirements of the Bendiganahalli area. They have extensive knowledge of local regulations and land surveying standards, ensuring that their work is compliant with all necessary guidelines. Scon Design India Pvt Limited is known for its expertise in providing comprehensive survey